Clarín is the largest newspaper in Argentina. It has 73 years and is one of the largest newspapers too in Spanish language. We are in a digital transformation from content-centric to a consumer-centric. The biggest challenge before Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse was the maintenance of the analytical appliance, because we need so many people and so much time to maintain the data warehouse. Now, with the Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse, we leave the maintenance to Oracle. We are able to reduce our annual cost by 50%. What I really like from Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse is we are business users. We are in the business side of the company, not in the technology side. We get more time to analyze data that is more valuable to the company than maintenance data. With Oracle Cloud Solution, we are able to send about 500 campaigns monthly with Eloqua, only with 2 people operating the tool. And also we can reduce the time of that campaign from 3 or 4 days to less than 24 hours. That was very great for us.